Welcome in Mariam Cookbook. Assalamu alaikum. Suma mbokki Gambian mbokki Senegalese. Tey damay defar Baileys pour kawar. Now you're gonna need this Baileys and then put it in conditioner and the soap, conditioner for soap too, this one, and you mix it. So I'm gonna blend this. So I'm going to blend it now. Now take it and you sift it. Léegi danga koy jël nga sifta ko soo bëggee sa bu ko sifta wante danga koy sifta rek léegi mu mun a see that. And you can take it back and you blend it again and then you have the same thing again. It's good for like you drink it, you take a shower with it. So now I'm going to put it in my this one. I'm gonna put like this. It's good for hair because my hair was so short, very short, and I don't know what I can do with my hair, so I tried this method and it was making my hair grow. My hair was very short. Now my hair is next to my eyebrow. I'm having long hair. I just like to share things with people because when things they are good, you just tell people, oh, try this method, it's very good. Suma mbokki Gambian, suma mbokki Senegalese yi yéen ñëpp try leen method bi parce que dama suma kawar bi dafa gàttoon gàtta be gàtta wante mashallah léegi moo am naa kawar bu gudda mashallah dafa ñëw ba si suma boori xef bi léegi soo dangay njëkkaa jël bii ni nga def ko si sa boppa bi nga def ko foofu nga raxas ko ba set wicc afterwards nga jël sa conditioner bi léegi su nekkee mun nga jël sa conditioner bi nga def ko si sa kawar bi nga bàyyi ko ba ëllëg si suba nga raxas ko. So you're gonna first use the soap one and you wash it with your hair. Then afterwards you lined it. When you lined it finish, then after you put your conditioner. Then when you finish with this one, you're gonna put it in your hair. If you want, you can leave it until tomorrow in the morning and then you wash it again. Then this is my coconut oil with the what they call Baileys, and it's so good. For me definitely I see the result. I'm having hair, my hair is so full now inside, like who have like your hair normally fall down, and then this is very good, this method. Try this one too and then share with a lot of friends, with your family members, and then try this. Do you see I always use this even to my body, even to my hair. You can just check the link down below to my other YouTube, then you can see this thing, how I make it, the oil to make hair and your body, for everything with your body. So now I'm gonna try and mix it and show you. So you're gonna mix it and then afterwards you return it back to your conditioner. This is the soap, this one is the soap, so you just mix it. So I'm gonna just try and wash this thing now because I don't want to put it in my conditioner. So I'm gonna mix my conditioner. Léegi maa ngi mix ma conditioner bi. Léegi bii mun nga ko def like si sa boppa bi ba suba nga bàyyi ko foofu noonu nga musóoru ba mu baax nga jël plastic bag nga def ko si sa boppa bi. Léegi nga bàyyi ko noonu nga fanaan ba suba si soo jógee nga raxas ko ba mu set ba pare jël sa coconut oil bi the same thing nga def ko si sa boppa bi. Bu ko raxas boobu soo raxasee bii ba pare bii moom mun nga ko riib sa boppa bi rek nga xam ne dafay nekk sa boppa bi. Léegi mu ngi nii bii moom dama koy ñëw def si suma kawar bi. Bii moom xam ñëw fri suma boppa bi ma ñëw def ko léegi suma boppa bi raxas naa suma kawar bi. So dama koy def si suma kawar bi. So that is the result. How you can see And please try the method, like who have, I don't know, it's alopecia they call it, like your hair normally fall down. Please just try this method with the coconut oil. First, soap, the liquid one, you wash it with your hair very clean. Then afterwards, you come and put this one to your hair, and then take a plastic bag. When you rub it all to your hair and you find very good thing, you close your, you cover your hair, and then you leave it until tomorrow, and then you wash it. And after, when you finish, put the coconut oil, and then you just leave it like that, and then you can do whatever you want with your hair. And good luck with everything. Bye. Thank you so much, all of you, my fans, my supporters. Please share video with family members, friends, and God bless you all. Thank you so much. Bye. Good luck.